Today, I'm going to introduce a semi-electric stacker to all of you. The design of this stacker is quite different from that of others. Next, I'll show you this stacker in detail. The main way to control the movement of this stacker is through these two armrests. This part is the main operation area of this stacker. This controls lifting and lowering. These two are the control switches. Insert the key and turn on the switch. Then it can be started. Pay attention. The gantry of the stacker starts to go up and down as the operator controls it. Next, let's go to the actual working area and see how it specifically participates in the work. First, the operator will use both feet to control the two rollers beneath the stacker, preventing it from sliding during operation. When working, this stacker can carry a maximum load of 2 tons of goods, and the maximum lifting height can reach 3.5 meters. It is widely used for short-distance cargo handling in places such as factories, warehouses, and logistics centers. Moreover, it is more flexible when used in some narrow spaces, buildings, and other places, and it also has a low noise level. After using it, reopen the controls of the rollers. If you are also interested in the semi-electric stacker and want to know more detailed data, you are welcome to have a private chat with me.